Welcome, food enthusiasts. Get ready for a culinary journey as we bring the warmth and aroma of Turkish cuisine to your kitchen. In today's video, we'll be crafting a delightful and flavorful dish, pilav with chicken. Not only is it a staple of Turkish homes, but it's also a recipe with high husband appealing, perfect for satisfying your cravings. Let's dive into the magic of this Turkish rice delight. Ingredients: 2 cups long grain rice, 500 grams chicken, diced, 1 large onion finely chopped, 2 carrots diced, 1 cup frozen peas, 4 cups chicken broth, 1/4 cup olive oil, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish. Sautéing the chicken. Heat olive oil in a large pot and sauté diced chicken until browned. Add finely chopped onion and cook until translucent. Adding vegetables and spices. Stir in diced carrots and frozen peas. Season with ground cumin, ground coriander, salt, and pepper. Mix well. Cooking the rice. Rinse the long grain rice thoroughly under cold water. Add the rice to the pot and stir until it's well coated with the flavors. Pouring chicken broth. Pour in the chicken broth, bringing the mixture to a gentle boil. Reduce heat, cover the pot, and simmer until the rice is cooked and the liquid is absorbed. Fluffing and serving. Once cooked, fluff the rice with a fork to ensure light and fluffy grains. Garnish with fresh parsley. Serving suggestions. Pilav with chicken can be served as a main dish or as a side alongside grilled meats or vegetables. Conclusion: voila! Your kitchen is now filled with the enticing aroma of our flavorful chicken pilav. Perfect for weeknight dinners or special occasions, this Turkish rice delight is sure to become a family favorite. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mouth-watering delights. Afiyet olsun.